In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add initials field in DocuSign. If you need to collect initials on specific pages of an agreement or acknowledgement form, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to place and send those fields so your recipients know where to initial, every time. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. From the dashboard, choose New, then select Send an envelope. Upload the document you want signed. This could be a PDF, Word file, or another supported format. Once the document is in, add your recipients so DocuSign knows who needs to interact with the file. You can add one person or multiple people, and you can set their roles if needed. Click Next to move to the Prepare screen, which is where you'll place fields on the document. On the left side, you'll see the Fields menu. Find the Initials field, click it, and drag it onto the exact spot where you want your signer to initial. You can place more than one Initials field if multiple pages need acknowledgement. If you need to copy an Initials field to other pages, click the field you placed and use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on Windows, or CMD+C and CMD+V on a Mac to duplicate it quickly. Before you continue, make sure each Initials field is assigned to the correct recipient. Use the recipient drop-down on the right panel to confirm the field's assignment. You'll see the field color change based on the selected signer, which is especially important if multiple people are signing. A quick tip: when you're working with multiple signers, select the recipient from the top left drop-down first, then drag the Initials field, so it's color-coded correctly from the start. By the way, if you don't have DocuSign yet, I've placed the official website link and the mobile app download link right at the top of the description to help you get started quickly. For recurring documents, save time by creating a template with your Initials fields already placed. That way, you can reuse the setup without starting from scratch. And for long documents where initials need to appear in many places, consider using autoplace in the field's properties. Set a unique keyword, such as /initials here /, and DocuSign will automatically drop initials fields wherever that keyword appears in the document. When everything looks good and each field is assigned properly, click Send to dispatch the document for signing. Your recipients will get an email prompting them to review and initial exactly where you've placed the fields. That's all you need to add initials fields in DocuSign. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check the description for those links. Thanks for watching.